In this video, I will be showing you how to forward domain emails to Gmail account without an email account in Namecheap. So let's get started with the video. Once logged into Namecheap account, we need to click the Dashboard tab, which will take us to this page. The domain name can be found in the right-hand side of the screen. If you don't see the domain here, click this domain list to see all your domain in Namecheap account. Next, we will need to click the Manage button, which will get us to this page. And in this page, we will need to click Advanced DNS tab. Next, we need to scroll to this section. Here, we will need to select and enable email forwarding in Namecheap and update the changes made. And next, in the domain page, we need to come down to Redirect Email section. Next, click Add Forwarder option, which will open up this settings. In the first field, we can enter the username of our choice, which will be the email prefix or the email account username. Here in the first field, I will type contact. This will be my domain email account, contact@cosmocarrot.com. And in this second field, we will need to add the forwarding email account, which will be my Gmail account. And to save and update the changes, we need to click this tick mark. And done, setting forwarding emails to Gmail account in Namecheap. Any email that is being sent to this email account, contact@cosmocarrot.com, it will be forwarded to my Gmail account, added in the second field. And done with this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful updates.